In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Gcash account on hold. But first things first, we have to find out what could be the reason or cause an account to be on hold. So in your browser, head over to help.gcash.com. Then next in the search bar, we're just going to type in on hold, then press enter. And here we're going to click on my Gcash account is on hold. How can I access my account? So just click on the link and this link will show you the possible reasons and how you can fix them. So the first reason could be suspension or deactivation of Gcash account or card section of our terms and conditions. And it says here if you have received an email with the subject notice account deactivation, you can click on this link to learn more about your account and what you need to do. Another reason could be that your Gcash account was not fully verified within 12 months of account creation. And if we click on this drop down menu, there's an explanation here that says your Gcash account will be deactivated if it is not fully verified within 12 months from the time the account was open. You can click on this link to learn more about information and how you can fix if this is the problem with your account. Another reason could be inaccurate or invalid information and documents submitted. All you have to do is click on this link where you can submit these documents. You're going to need front and back photos of two valid government IDs, a photo of your signature on paper, proof of income, and proof of billing. And lastly, other reasons include your Gcash account may be on hold due to illegal use, legal orders, or inactive wallet. Your account might be involved in illegal activities or suspicious transactions, or it might be used by someone not authorized. It could be also because of legal orders. Gcash may have received instructions from a government agency or court to hold your account. And lastly is inactive wallet. If your Gcash wallet had no transactions or zero balance for at least 6 months, it is considered inactive. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!